Hi guys, welcome back to my video. I'm gonna be fidget trading, and I just made not a video, a short video of my squishy haul from She. So yeah, so I'm about to be fidget trading with no one, like no one. My collections right here. My mom's here. Oh, my grandma was here the whole time. Would anyone like to trade this? No, this is too good. Actually, would anyone like to trade this cheese? I'd like to trade this cheese. Except, thank you. Oh, this is slow rising. It smells kind of good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Would anyone like to trade this butter? Me. I'd like to trade mine. No, my cheese bread. It's way bigger. So can you please add other cheese? Except yes. Bye. Just get that girl. I want that big cheese back. What should I trade? I'm gonna trade this big mini cheese. Pretend it's there. I'd like to trade this. No. I like to trade this really good, satisfying cheese. I like to try this jumbo cheese. Except, thank you. Oh my god, I have the most rarest collection now. The tie-dye cheese, rare. Glitter dumpling, rare. And the apple is still rare. And then I have the cheese. It's cheese. So, yeah. Oh my god.
Hi, Mommy. How are you? Hi, Rachel.
Butter.
Llama a Rachel. A mí me gusta cuando dice Rachel. Rachel, ¿tú quieres el lobo?
I don't like the cheese that much. But it's okay.
Rachel, entonces lo pusieron.
Would anyone?
Te pusieron ya el coletero. Vamos a ver los planes que te salen. Ay, Señor mío.
This is real.
Rachel.
Would anyone like to trade the glitter dumpling? Glitter
Lo
dumpling.
prendiste cuál, ya contiene. Lo prendió.
Girl, you're gonna have to add before you even place anything. Girl, add. This butter. That's not enough, but I guess I'll accept. Ooh, I like this cheese. And the butter has like air in it. It ripped out
Rachel,
everything.
yo necesito 7 con la de 14, con la de mexicana. 8 con los niños. Sí.
Yes, I'm the rarest.
Yo le dije a Maggie, ya me confirmó, yo le hice $30, me dijo que sí, que se lo dejara.
What?
Y que iban a hablar de cosas que quería hoy, con tener, yo le dije, se comandó carne, vamos a hablar de Maggie, Delicia,
Would anyone like to trade for this cheese? psychic stuff right now. Get back up. I'd like to. I'd like to trade this balloon. Cheese in here. Oh, that girl scammed me. That's why. It's good.
No, mañana le voy a decir a Luis, entonces dime, ¿sabe? Por la 20.
I like to trade.
No, le doy la paga y la sopa.
It's the second rarest fidget.
Pero ni yo tengo esa manta y como la manta la de Tilly la tengo ahí.
Thank you. Here's your cheese. And get happy with it. It's not even rare.
Que no le da maché y leño ese.
This is so soft. I can never be trading this. Even though if it was for the green drop and a lot of other offers, I'd like to trade that.
Estaba haciendo waterplay hoy.
I have to trade it. So good. I trade my apple. Go ahead and add. I'd like to trade this. No, you can put something else. Fine. Jacob, shh. Dramatic. Even though nothing happened to him. Nothing happened to him. He's being overwhelmed. Okay. I'd like to trade this. I'll trade this. Fine.
Are you sure? Yeah, that's a shark.
Yes.
Oh,
This is great.
venga acá.
Bye guys. Ooh,